we've just completed here at our Gatwick site, 140 metres of close board fencing. As you will see from the video, it's totally bespoke in height. This was a bit tricky, especially working on the banks and such around here when the weather was bad. But the team got it done, so all good. We've already been asked to quote for more work here, which can only be a good thing. Here's how we done it.
Okay, so we're starting on the left-hand run, which was 11 bays plus a service hatch. This was pretty straightforward because the ground at this stage was totally dry, so we're able just to crack on. The central section, however, as you can see, was a little bit more tricky. The ground was totally saturated, mainly the runoff from the car park. So working on a ladder with a 7-foot fence in front of you was a bit tricky. The central run itself had panels varying in height from 6 foot right up to 8 foot. Obviously we're having to keep that consistent top height to be in line with the RSJ as the client requested. Then we've got the right hand section, which was 24 bays. This was ranging from 3 foot in height up to 7 foot. But as you'll see as we go round, some of the banking on here was quite severe. So we're actually having to work off a ladder just to get this boarded up. Once all the boarding was actually up, we cut along the top of the counter out and we're able to cap that off. You'll also see some of these soil stacks coming down from the car park for the water runoff. So we had to cut around them, which was a bit fiddly, but you know, you've got to get it done. So you'll see here what I mean about trimming the feather edge. So we've got a bay boarded up, then we bring up the counter rail, cut the tops off, and then finally cap it off at the end. So here's the finished job. We've got the left-hand run, which is 11 bays, plus the service hatch, which you will see shortly. Then we've got the central run, which is 13 bays. Some of these were pretty tall, getting up to about 8 foot, as I've already mentioned. And then finally, the right-hand run, which was 24 bays, bringing us to a total of 48 bays of fencing. The final part of the job was to install an additional 3 bays of close board fencing in the car park area to tie into an existing fence, so you'll see that coming up shortly. As I've already mentioned, we've been asked to quote for more works here, which we couldn't be happier with, so hopefully we'll be